Hey all, welcome back. I was just restocking my fridge with my weekly supply of vegetables and fruits. Then I thought of making this an interesting task by making a video out of it. Yes, I love organizing and love an organized, fully stocked fridge ready for the coming week. I also like munching on fruits, nuts, and dry fruits. So I thought of making laddus out of it instead of eating them individually. Big shout out to my friends who gifted me this blender. Highly recommend it, and also my friends who gift you such useful appliances. A quick recipe is done, so is the video. Bye for now. See you on another random day.